Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're vacuuming and tidying up. Okay, but it's everyone's job to do progress, buddy. These are all the pizza boxes from the 18th birthday party you guys had. I need you to get clothes on. Excuse me. I'm trying to
but I'm way out. Mama, tap me what you're away time. Hit your eight. You want time?
What you doing?
Mama, tap.
Yeah.
I can't eat my own. Mama, tap. I want to have my own camera. Mama, tap me. I want camera. I want to have my own. Yeah, eat a baby. I eat a toy.
More messy over here. Do you see the floor?
Yeah, eat a window. Yeah, eat a baby tap a window. Mom, why I am camera? Mama, Dad, why I am camera?
That's good.
Mama, now you die. Mama, cat, camera on. You look at my camera on. Let me in my camera. Mama.
I feel like Henry's full. Oh.
Mama. Yeah. Mama. Ah! Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a baby.
You see a baby?
Yeah. Hey, why are you on? Hey, Mom. Yeah, look. Yeah. My camera. Mom, you can read it off. Can I eat with my outdoor camera on my backyard? Mom, can I eat it on my outdoor camera on my backyard?
You see the camera? In the camera?
On my thing.
Okay, just turn it on.
Mom, I'll ruin you a bit with Am I moving too much?
Do that, okay? It's not supposed to. Okay. So over here, I got back to my home.
Yeah. Mom, in my backyard, I adore. In my backyard, I adore. Wow.
Yeah. These ones too need to be composted on the side here. Unfortunately. Yeah. That's, sometimes we run out of apples because everyone eats them so much, and then other times nothing gets eaten at all. What is going on? Okay. This is very, very rude. It's gonna explode.
Gone through his bag. He's like trying to shut it on me, and he's giving me a look and a talk like, I'm not allowed in there, Daddy. I'm pretty sure you're not allowed either. And then once I moved my arms so he could close it, he walked away all proud. Yes, I kept him out of it, Mommy.
No, we're not allowed in there, Daddy. Okay, off with your head.
Honey?
Rex, please move. Yes?
Come here.
Okay, one sec. Sorry, I just got Henry's head off.
It's just a lame thing anyway. I'll come to you.
What?
Just a lame thing anyway. I'll come to you.
Oh. Really need to get more bags for Henry. Yeah, clogged nose.
Oh, he had a cold. Rex, get out of there. Honey?
You what?
I heard it's raining on my back, but I don't know if that's what you said. That's what I forgot to do. I forgot to screw on my nose this morning.
Okay, what you're gonna say?
There's got to be a better way to make my nose.
You what? It's fine.
Unfortunately, she didn't have very much vinegar, so hopefully this will be enough to make a difference.
All that vinegar down the drain.
Bring home the bacon. I don't care about the vinegar.
But was the baking soda where I thought it was?
It was just on the side table.
Oh.
Next to the bacon.
It was in the vicinity. It's good.
Should I try it now or should I wait a little bit?
I'll just wait. Let it do its thing for a bit. And then we'll just... Yeah. These are gross.
Are they dishwasher safe?
I don't know if I've tested that. Thank you, Grandma, for the batteries for the hippo. Reminder to self.
Fish.
What?
You wanted it for the...
Oh, for the fish. Okay. What kind of batteries did the hippo take? They mentioned batteries for the hippo at some point too. Are those just regular?
Oh, is that it? I didn't know that. I think that was double A's because I think I had the batteries for that.
Anyways, reminder to self to get this because I melted something on my egg. Yeah, I do that.
You know.
Aww.
Okay.
Seeing the little kids look at this little fishy aquarium reminded me of the big kids, the two oldest, when they were looking at it when they were little. Everyone grows so fast. Anyways, thanks for watching.